If you're a CEO, a founder of your company, or a C-suite team member, RPM program from Streetwise Institute might be for you.
Streetwise Institute was founded with the mission to more rapidly deploy entrepreneurs filling the commercial gap. We can expedite the success and scale of entrepreneurs, business groups, and individuals across multiple industries and show the world what they can really do. At SWI, our team and curriculum supports entrepreneurs implementing a variety of strategic, growth-oriented mindsets, teaching them how to strengthen their investments and giving them the resources they need when they need them. Coach in your pocket, an unfair advantage. SWI is engineered to free you from internal blocks and teach you tricks that you didn't learn in school, allowing you to approach and solve operational, sales, profitability, and acquisition challenges with ease.
I'm on a personal mission to be a catalyst to this worldwide transformation we're going through. I want to make as much as possible the innovations and new guys on the scene of your market and doing what you've meant to be doing, because we're all on a mission, and my mission is your success. So Streetwise Institute will be gladly to welcome you into this RPM program to speed up your scale up and to grow some sales. Cheers.